Hi, my name is Beth with You the Writer at www.rebuildwasteplaces.com/you the writer. Today we're going to talk about how to create an index in Microsoft Word. It is much easier than it sounds. If you are writing a nonfiction book, an index is a powerful tool in your arsenal, and you will want to use this tool. And it is so simple. Once I show you, you will ask yourself, why haven't I done this before? So let's begin. The first step in creating your index, I'm just going to open up a file that I already have. So what I did is I made an index page, and it's going to be at the end of your document. And I've just given it my heading here, and I've just got my cursor flashing. So that part's done and ready for the insertion whenever I'm done with the other steps. So next, this step is critical and easy peasy. You need an index file. So what you're going to do is you're going to create a table just like I did here. Go over here to insert table, and all I did is I just used one right here, and then I added rows. You only want one column with as many rows as you think you're going to need. So you're going to look through your document for keywords and phrases that you would want, or you think others would want to look up and find them on the pages. So you're going to do that, and you're going to give each one its own row. So I already typed in several ahead of time. Then you're going to save it. I saved it as Psalms index simply because I want to know that that's my index file. Okay? And my index would be much bigger than this. It could be as many rows and pages as you need it to be. But this is just an example. So then once that's saved, okay, I'm going to click out of it. You don't want it open when you do this. Now I'm going to insert my index, and it's going to be so easy. You're going to be amazed. Go to Insert Index, and that's on the References page right up here, okay? And you are going to go to, and I just forgot, I think it's Mark Auto Mark. Let me see. Yes, okay. Go to Auto Mark. I always forget, and I have to go back and forth. And then you find your index file, Psalms index, and I'm going to hit Open. Okay, and what's going to happen is it's going to go through and automatically mark everything that you needed indexed. This time it didn't take very long. Sometimes it'll take a few seconds or minutes depending on how big your index is and how big your document is. So once it's done that, you're going to see these marks throughout your file. I don't like to see them, so I'm going to go over here to Home, and you're going to go to what looks like a backwards P, and you're going to click on it. And that takes them off. And if you ever wanted them back on, click it. Okay? So I don't want it. So now what I'm going to do is it didn't insert my file. It just marked everything throughout my document. Now I'm going to insert the index. Go back up to References. Go to Insert Index. And just hit OK. And it's taken its time. There we go. And you can see my index isn't very big because I just did a sample for you. But that's all you need to do to insert an index. Don't need to be intimidated by this at all, and I look forward to hearing from you in the comment section. Thank you for joining me today.